Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drink pre-workout supplement. First, select a pre-workout powder that aligns with your fitness objectives. Always check the product label for the recommended serving size, as this can vary significantly between brands. A standard serving is often 1 scoop. Using a shaker bottle is highly recommended for achieving a smooth, clump-free mixture every time. This ensures you get the full benefit of the supplement. Now, let's talk about mixing and timing. Typically, you'll want to mix 1 scoop of your chosen pre-workout powder with 8 to 12 ounces of cold water. Give it a good shake for about 15 to 30 seconds until the powder is completely dissolved. The ideal time to drink it is 20 to 30 minutes before your workout. This allows enough time for the ingredients to be absorbed and start working, giving you that energy boost when you need it most. When consuming your pre-workout, drink it steadily rather than chugging it all at once. This can help prevent any potential stomach discomfort. It's also crucial to stay well hydrated throughout your entire workout session, so keep a water bottle handy. Pay close attention to how your body responds. If you feel overstimulated, consider reducing your dosage to half a scoop next time. Your comfort and safety are paramount. Finally, some important considerations. To ensure a good night's sleep, avoid taking pre-workout too close to bedtime, ideally at least 4 to 6 hours prior. Always consult a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before incorporating any new supplement into your routine, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Never exceed the recommended daily serving size, which is typically 1 scoop, to prevent adverse effects.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.